I got this. I'm gonna open it. Okay, be quiet and listen to this. So I got the body cream. Ah! Okay, I got the body cream. Okay. And I got this body mist. I think, I don't know. And I got this. It's like shower oil. Wait, shower oil. Be quiet. Yeah. Be quiet, everybody. Okay, the next thing we got the toner glow recipe. It's the mini kind. I got this one time in Vegas and I put a lot and then I ran out so fast. Like for 3 days. Like in 3 days it ran out. Please stay. Okay, whatever. So put this toner. I love it. And then the last and final, got the, wait, is this Summer Fridays? Okay, I'm just gonna call it Summer Fridays. I got the Summer Fridays sunscreen. Look, it's really, compared to my Salish one, look, my Salish one, it's like, it's not clear, it's like opaque. And this one, Mama, can you open this? Thank you, magical hand. So look, compared to my Salish one, it's the Salish one, it's opaque, and this one, it's totally clear. Clear. See, I told you. Okay. Bye bye, everybody. I hope you liked it. Bye.